What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and as you can tell, guys, it's early as fuck. It's about 6:30 in the morning. I gotta go to work. But I want to show you what happened last night. Something went down, as you can tell. So that happened last night, guys. It's an extended cab, 06, HD hood, HD grill, color match, top lid. The truck is black. So this happened last night, guys. It's an extended cab. She's nice. Fair price. It's electric windows, center console, ball system, digital AC. She's A1, guys. A1. Alright, guys, so since I'm gonna be busy this week, like the rest of the week, it's Thursday already. I'm gonna be busy today and tomorrow and Saturday, guys. So my girl's gonna do a lot of this stuff for me. She's gonna run to the tire shop. She's gonna get these wheels swapped off. We're gonna do the replace the windshield. We're gonna replace the windshield, do the wheels, and she's gonna take care of that. That's why I'm showing y'all the truck right now as it sits, so y'all can see it before and after. And last night, guys, I jumped on the web and I ordered a drop kit, so we should be getting that in the next couple days. We're gonna go low, but not too low. This truck is gonna be for my girl. And the Tahoe, guys, the Tahoe's gone. The Tahoe's gone. I don't know what happened. Hey, shit happens. But this is for the better, guys. This is for the better. As an extended cab, well, we needed a truck. With all the moving and stuff, we decided that we needed a truck. We're trying to get a washer and dryer, so the truck comes in handy. But I guess I'll catch you after work, guys. Y'all enjoy y'all's day. So what's up, guys? It's been a couple days since the last clip. We actually just left the junkyard. We did a little junkyard run real quick in the morning. We got a few parts for the new truck. Like I said, guys, in the past clip, the Tahoe is gone like the wind. And now we are riding the Trailblazer and the extended cab that my girl picked up. This truck is gonna be for my girl. Since the Tahoe was my girl's, the truck's still gonna be my girl's, but we're still gonna fix it up. I'm gonna show you a couple parts I just grabbed. I'm at the gas station pumping gas, but I grabbed the cluster, guys, with a trans temp, and I want to see if it works. If not, so I can take it right back. So I got a cluster with the trans temp. Pumping gas, guys. Pumping gas right now. Hopefully it works. A little bit different. This one is the manual. I think it's called manual, and then this one's digital. If this don't work, I ain't tripping. As long as the bottom one works, it's okay. And I end up grabbing an airbag. Guys. So she's gonna be looking real clean. And guys, I got another Titan window. Y'all don't forget, I'm giving away a Titan window. The only thing you have to do is follow me on Instagram, tag 3 friends on my post on Instagram, and follow me on obviously here on YouTube. And there's one more rule, I don't know, but the rules are in my Instagram, guys. If y'all want to go check it out, y'all more than welcome. Don't forget, guys, it's free to enter, it's free to win. You don't have to buy nothing. So y'all go check it out. Y'all go let y'all friends know. Hopefully somebody can put it on the truck, or we'll figure something out. But let me go ahead and change out this cluster, and we'll go from there. So I swapped out the cluster. Everything works, guys. Everything works except these right here, these two screens. They're kind of dim. They're not as bright as the other one, and the cluster's real dirty. Right now I got the battery disconnected up there. I'm about to swap out the airbag. It's fairly easy, guys. Has a hole on this side and on the opposite side of the steering wheel as well. You just gotta poke it with a small screwdriver or anything really that fits there, and it'll pop out easily. But she's coming along. I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Give it a couple more minutes, guys, because I know you gotta wait a little bit before you start messing with the airbags. So I'm gonna hold off a little bit and we'll be right back. Easy little Allen wrench key, guys. It's a little small one, a little thin one, and that's all you really gotta do. You just gotta find the little hole. Poke it, and it pops out, and that's it. That's it, guys. Two connections, pink and white. Pink and white. This is off of Trailblazer, guys. The airbag's off of Trailblazer. It has the Chevy logo. I really like these bags. I don't know why. Plug them up the same way. There's no way to get them wrong, and they just snap back in. And that's it, guys. That's it. Now you just gotta put your battery back on, and that's it. It's a nice little upgrade. These cost a lot, guys, online. I don't know, I think I've seen them for like 120, 80 bucks, 100 bucks. But I got this one very cheap. So I haven't talked about the truck much, and I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the truck. The truck is a 2006, guys, Silverado, HD front. It's bone stock. It does have a little bit of miles on her, but the truck's solid. So let me go ahead and show y'all the truck. Let me know what y'all think. And I have a couple plans for this truck, just like I had for the black one, my 2000 one, the one I sold. I wanted to do a lot of things to that one, but that one was a little bit far gone on maintenance, you know, and that's the way I got it. And this one's a lot more taken care of, the interior, the body, and everything. But y'all can take a look at it. Let me know what y'all think. So I kept the Texas edition, guys. I kept them. It has the 06 hood, 06 grill, fog lights, the Texas edition. It does have a couple dents, like these right here, this one, this. Nothing major, really, like at all. You know, little stuff here, like, I don't know if y'all can tell. Right here has a little dent, but the back is like real good. Look at that bumper. The bumper has no dents, guys. New tail lights. It does have this little dent right there. Another one right there, guys. Like right there. But that's about it. That's about it. And the truck's solid, guys. The truck's solid. Stock high for now. She is stock high. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the interior and the parts that I have for it so far. So the truck is I guess fully loaded with cloth seats. I'm not sure what you'll call it. It has captain seats. They're a little dirty, As y'all seen, I put the airbag with the Chevy logo, changed out the cluster. It's pretty nice. And this is what I got so far for the truck. I picked up 2 kickers, guys. An amp, 2500 watt amp. I just got another Titan window, guys, this morning. And obviously a downfire box. I'm gonna be putting in the double din that I had on the Tahoe on this one, and we're gonna be lowering the truck, guys, and that's gonna be pretty much it. And we're gonna be adding a sunroof. I think this truck will look real nice with the Titan back window and the sunroof, but that's gonna be coming up pretty soon. I really like this interior. It's solid. The only thing I really don't like, guys, is this window tint is really dark. Like, it's dark, but the truck's solid, guys. Let me know what y'all think. Drop y'all's comments. So before we end this video, I'm gonna show y'all guys what I'm trying to do with the Trailblazer. The next videos are gonna be on the Trailblazer, most likely. I'm not sure. I have a lot of parts for the truck, so I really don't know. But this is a look that I'm trying to go for the shootout. I don't know if the shootout's gonna happen or not, with all this coronavirus incident and all this bullshit that's going on. But just in case it does go down, I want to change up the look a little bit on the truck. And somebody had guessed right on the last video. We're gonna do a camo wrap, a cheap camo wrap, guys. And hopefully it turns out good. If not, you know, fuck it, I ain't tripping. But right now, guys, I'm at the office and I'm actually cutting the vinyl. So I'm gonna show you a little clip of that. And don't forget, guys, the Titan window giveaway is on April 11th, and you have to be fully 100%. When I say 100%, you have to follow the rules 100%, guys, to be able to win the window. I will be checking if you did follow the rules and all that. So if you want to have a chance to win the window, make sure that you follow the rules 100%. And that's pretty much it, guys. You don't have to buy nothing. You don't have to nothing. You just have to share it, tag some people, share it on your story, tag me and all that good stuff, and that's it pretty much. But let's get to cutting this vinyl. And I ended up going with it's like a narco gray, black. I did a black, and I did red, guys. I did red. So I already have all the red cut out, and it's gonna be something like this, you know, like a camel thing. So it's gonna be like a camel look, something like this. And right now I'm cutting the gray. I'm cutting this. It's already cut. You probably can't tell. You can. I just gotta peel it off. And we're doing the gray now. We're using this small machine, and obviously you need a computer, but we're gonna get rolling. So that's pretty much the process, guys, of cutting. I have to go through all this vinyl, and I have to go through the black one. And they're all different patterns, so that, you know, it's obviously camo, so Not all of them are gonna be the same pattern. All of them are different. But I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and cut some more. I'll probably throw a time lapse, so y'all enjoy. Don't forget, guys, God is good. Wash y'all's hands, wash that ass, and I'll catch you on the next one.